Welcome to Tackett's House of Loneliness. I have a giant mess behind me. Hold on. My neighbor's out here. He's moving his hay around. He's got a big old property over here with horses and cows and everything. And he's moving his hay. I think he waves at me every time he goes by. I'm like, it's so weird here in Tennessee. Everybody's so friendly and they wave. Like, you just went by 2 seconds ago and he waves again. Anyway. Okay, what was I saying? Tackett's House of Loneliness. Yeah. So I'm here in Tennessee. Sarah went home to Arizona to finish packing that house up. So I'm here by myself in an empty house. No wife, no dogs, no cars. This is crazy. This is just, I'm losing my mind. So I'm trying to find some projects to do. This is my garage. I have a kind of a deep 1-car garage now that's attached to the house and until the shop gets built. So I need to make the most out of this space that I can, because there's still some stuff at the other house. Welders, torches, valve grinding machines, engine blocks, engine stands. There's a lot of stuff there that she's getting ready to ship here. I'm dirty already? How'd I get dirty? I'm not even working on anything. So I need as much space as I can. So I think I'm gonna just hang some shelves, try to get some of this stuff off the floor, up onto some shelves in this area here, over here. And I did hang this up. Look, see? I was productive today already. See that? That's our projects for today. Real exciting stuff. But it is. It's exciting, and I'm happy, and I'm very, very grateful. But I'm going crazy. I'm all alone in an empty house. I literally don't have a couch to sit on. I don't have a TV. I'm back in caveman days. Okay, it's caveman days. So I'm gonna do some work today. See if I can get some stuff up. Maybe Sarah's gonna maybe film some stuff too over there, and we'll make a joint video. Then next week, I don't know. We're just trying to do what we can. All right, we're making some progress. Starting to look like something. Got my extra plugins up here and a shelf up there. That's going to be where the stereo goes. Before I had a YouTube channel, I would come out in the garage and work, and I have to have my stereo on. That's the best part about working in the garage. So I recommend getting you one of these. You could turn your old school stereo into a Bluetooth deal. Get you one of these, plug it into your RCA input. There you go. And this is how I do it. Only the best made in China stuff, but it works. And you can Bluetooth your music to your old school shop stereo. So let me get that up there, and we'll at least have some tunes. Well, it's a small win, but it's a win. I'll take it. We got this corner kind of squared away. We got AM, FM, and the Bluetooth, so that's cool. And now we got something to listen to while I go through the rest of this gigantic mess here. Yeah. Going from I thought I had a small garage before, but now it's a really small garage. So I got plenty of work to do. But I don't know. That'll probably do it for today. I gotta go get ready for my new job. I start tomorrow. Pretty nervous, but wish me luck. I was thinking, you know, I could write a country song. I ain't got my truck. I ain't got my wife. I ain't got my dogs. I got, you know, I'm pretty sure I could put that together and make a song out of it. What's up, everybody? It's Steve. I'm here in the Tennessee house, and I still have a giant mess on my hands. And here's the situation. We are about to load up the rest of the stuff in Arizona and bring it here. And as you can see, this little one and a half car garage I have is full. And there's still a lot of garage stuff at the other house. My welder, my torches, my valve grinding equipment, my cabinets with all the Holly stuff, parts. Yeah, so I gotta move all this up against this back wall somehow, maybe, possibly, to make as much room as I can towards the front. Oh, there's a bunch of engines. Sarah picked up another engine and transmission. It's not me. You think I'm a pack rat. I'm not, okay? She's out there collecting more engines and transmissions and parts. So,
it looks a little different in here. Sounds a little different without all the stuff. But I'm gonna have to use that today because I ended up accumulating an engine and a transmission. My boss has a square body truck and he did an LS swap and gifted Steve and I the engine and transmission. So I have to find a place to put it. And I might have to have some help because I think it'll fit. We have room. We have room, but I still can't lift more than 50 pounds and I need to get all these cars out to get it in here. So, and Steve happens to be in Tennessee. So luckily we have good friends. The pups are gonna help. Well, we're gonna put the engine in this corner, I think. So I gotta move everything, including this car. So this will be interesting because it's got a reverse shift pattern and I don't know what else. So I'm not used to driving a vehicle with the reverse shift pattern, and I guess there's a button I have to push when it goes into reverse. So, well, I guess we'll figure it out because that's the only option we have right now. Well, we did it. Got it moved. It wasn't as hard as I thought. Steve made it seem like it was going to be more complicated, but I think he was just getting me prepared. So now on to the rest. It's been a while since I had to 2-foot it, but I figured it out. Now we start moving everything else. Okay. There we go. Use that, take that out, and we're gonna put it over there. So, wish us luck. It's all set up. Getting ready to take it out. Okay. It's in its new home. It fits. Now we just got to get the Nova back in. It's a pretty tight fit with everything, but a little bit of rearranging thanks to help from Jay, but we cleared it. I got really super close without touching it, so I guess it's a good thing. I gotta start getting used to driving my little 65 Nova, right? I'm sure Steve loves it, but we're in. I got a new engine and transmission. Steve can figure out what to do with it. And now, time to get back to packing.
I need to make room for all that stuff to fit in here. And then, once that house sells, we'll start breaking ground on the new shop. So, somebody in Arizona, please buy that house. Okay, buy that house so I can build my shop, okay? Anyways, today, I'm gonna start moving all this stuff. I need to finagle it. We gotta go back and we gotta go up. Pack it to the ceiling. Basically, that's what I'm trying to do. So, wish me luck. Well, there we go. We got a little more space, I think. I packed it in there as tight as I could. So hopefully all the rest of the stuff from Arizona can fit here. And the motorcycles. Dang it, I forgot about them. Well, I think that's gonna do it for me today. I still got a little bit of daylight left. I gotta run to the store and run some errands and get ready to go back to work tomorrow. The new job is going well so far, 1 week down. I was a little nervous this week, but I think I'm starting to settle into a groove. My coworkers are pretty cool. I like them so far. In fact, I think that's a Tennessee thing. People are just more likable here. They're friendlier, I guess. But, oh, traffic jam. Yeah, so I got more space. Hopefully it's enough. I don't know. I'll be flying back to Arizona in the next week or two or so to get Sarah and the rest of the stuff and the pup dogs. They're gonna make the trip next time too. That's gonna be a long road trip, let me tell you. Texas, why are you so big? Huh? Why? It took like forever to get across it. And this time we'll have dogs with us. So that's gonna be fun. Maybe we'll film some of that. But I know Summit and Jags and them, they're starting to worry about me. They sent me a get well soon card, because they haven't heard from me. So they're a little bit, Steve, are you okay? Where you been? But I haven't been wrenching. I haven't wrenched on anything. All my cars are there and stuff. So they are going to get transported out here. I got a guy who's going to handle that for me. So hopefully I'll get the cars here. Then I'll fly over there, get the rest of the stuff and drive. Anyways, it's a mess. We're doing our best. Thank you for hanging in here with us. We're trying. We're doing I hope Sarah's done a little bit of filming. She's gonna add to these clips so you can keep up on both of us, Maybe she'll film the dogs. You gotta keep up on the dogs too, I know. They got a little fan base going. And so, anyways, I need to shave, shower, run to the store. I gotta cook dinner. I gotta do I'm a bachelor. I'm a single bachelor out here. So I got stuff to do. Anyways, thank you. Please hit like, comment, subscribe. Any of that stuff would be helpful. Say hi to me. I'm lonely. I'm here by myself. I'm lonely. Say hi. Okay? So with that, I'll see you next time.